Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. CGI, Common Gateway Interface, programming allows you to create dynamic web applications using Python. It enables Python scripts to be executed on a web server to generate dynamic content, such as web pages, forms, and interactive applications. In this tutorial, we will explore how to get started with CGI programming in Python and provide you with a good resource for further learning. Before you start, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Common Gateway Interface, CGI, is a protocol that enables web servers to execute scripts or programs to generate dynamic content in response to client requests. In the context of Python, CGI scripts are Python programs that run on the server and generate HTML or other content dynamically. Let's create a simple CGI script in Python to display a hello, world, message. Follow these steps. Create a directory named cgi-bin in your web server's document root directory. Inside the cgi-bin directory, create a Python script named hello.py with the following content. Configure your web server, example Apache, to enable CGI execution in the cgi-bin directory. This configuration may vary depending on your web server software. Access the script via your web browser using the URL http://yourserver/cgi-bin/hello.py. You should see a web page displaying hello, world, generated by your CGI script. While this tutorial provides a basic introduction to CGI programming in Python, there is a lot more to explore. To deepen your knowledge and skills in this area, you can refer to the following resource. Python CGI Programming by Tutorials Point. Tutorials Point offers a comprehensive guide to Python CGI programming. It covers topics like handling form data, working with cookies, file uploads, and more. The tutorials are easy to follow and include code examples to help you learn CGI programming effectively. CGI programming in Python allows you to create dynamic web applications that respond to user requests. By following the steps in this tutorial and exploring additional resources, you can start building interactive web applications with Python and CGI. Happy coding! ChatGPT